So going back to this very scaled down version, capital before idea validation is exactly the most common way that first time investors lose their investment. So starting with the capital before a clear idea is what I'm talking about here. And there are also biases that to entrepreneurs are so common that entrepreneurs must keep an eye out for. Because what happens is you have money, let's say you have like 200K. Okay, gusto kong pagawan ng kapehan or like parang stall, ganon. Um, I see objects being spent on. I see, I have a brand, I have materials, now I have an apron, I have a machine. Um, it looks like progress. It looks like I bought all these things. I post on social media. People congratulate me. It looks like I've made it. No, I've finally turned my hard work into money and money into business. It is the illusion of progress. Having spent all that may appear or may present the um, what is it the facade of progress. But if you don't have an idea, an underlining foundation of strong idea that upon which you built you spent your capital, there's a very high chance that you'll lose that anyway.